Why your shorts? Get 500 views, but theirs get 5 million. Ever wondered why some channels post their very first short, and it instantly pulls in millions of views? Meanwhile, you've been posting shorts across multiple channels for months, and you still can't break past 5,000 views. Here's the truth nobody tells you. The problem probably isn't your short itself, it's your uploading process. Today I'm giving you the complete updated process for uploading a YouTube short the right way and answering every question you've probably had. Should you upload from desktop or phone, YouTube app or Chrome? Do you even need SEO for shorts? What's the actual best time to post? Should you use a custom thumbnail? All of it, right here. Let's get into it. You can upload a short through three main platforms: the YouTube app, the YouTube Studio app, or a browser like Chrome. Now here's something important. The algorithm doesn't care which one you use. It treats your short exactly the same either way. But if you upload through the YouTube app specifically, you unlock some exclusive features you won't get anywhere else: a built-in sound library, effects, filters, text tools, and the ability to select a custom thumbnail frame. So if you want maximum control, the app is your best bet. If you don't need those extras, Studio or browser upload works just fine too. Open the YouTube app, tap the plus icon at the bottom, and select Shorts. You'll see the camera open up, meaning you can record live right there. But most of the time, your video is already edited and ready, so instead tap Add, select your finished video, and hit Next. At this point, you can trim your short if needed, then tap Done. Here's where the YouTube app really shines. On this next screen, you can add text, filters, stickers, captions, and voiceovers, but the most powerful feature here is Add Sound, which lets you use trending audio without any copyright issues. YouTube will automatically show you audio tracks that are currently trending, along with how many shorts have been made using that exact sound. Now, a lot of creators ask, should I always use trending audio? Will one trending sound alone make my short go viral? The honest answer is no. You should only use a trending sound if it naturally fits your content. If a rap track is trending and you make gaming shorts, that's a natural match. Use it. But if your content is educational and you throw in a rap beat just because it's trending, viewers will immediately feel the mismatch and swipe away. Some creators suggest muting the trending sound entirely just to trick the algorithm into thinking you used it. Honestly, if that worked, everyone would already be going viral. Only use a sound if it genuinely matches your video's vibe or if you're intentionally recreating a trend. And here's why it matters. When you use a specific sound, you're sending a signal to the algorithm that your short belongs to that sound's audience cluster. That means if you use a sound popular with entertainment creators, your educational short might get pushed to entertainment viewers, the wrong audience, which actually hurts your performance. The custom thumbnail hack. Once you're done, tap Next and you'll land on the Details page. This is where you handle your short's SEO and settings. You'll notice a pencil icon over your thumbnail. Tapping it lets you pick any frame from your video as the thumbnail. Now, most shorts views come from the Shorts feed, where nobody actually sees a thumbnail, but if your short ever gets recommended on the homepage or in search, that thumbnail becomes the deciding factor for a click, so it still matters. If a frame in your video naturally sparks curiosity, select it. But if you want a truly custom thumbnail, like the big channels use, YouTube doesn't give you that option directly. Here's the workaround. Design a custom thumbnail on a 9:16 canvas, export it, then insert that image as a single 1-second frame at the very start or end of your video in your editing app. When uploading, use the pencil icon, scrub to that exact frame, and select it as your thumbnail. That's the hack. Writing your caption. Next is the caption field, essentially your short's title. Since most views come from the Shorts feed where videos autoplay instantly, viewers decide whether to keep watching within seconds, often before they even read your caption. That's why you'll notice big creators with hundreds of millions of views often write almost nothing meaningful in their captions because they know it's not the primary driver. That said, don't ignore it completely because your short can also get recommended through YouTube search and browse features, where a strong caption absolutely helps. And don't just stuff it with SEO keywords. Instead, write something that creates a curiosity gap. For example, if your topic is 5 meals to gain weight for skinny guys, your caption could be, "Most skinny guys ignore this," or "This helped me gain 10 kilograms naturally." Notice both are incomplete thoughts, and our brains are wired to want to complete incomplete information, which pushes people to click. You could write the topic directly as the caption, but that creates zero emotional pull. The first version taps into FOMO. The second creates desire by pointing straight at the viewer's goal. Also, search and browse captions get cut off after around 35 characters, so put your most important words right at the start. Hashtags and visibility. As for hashtags, they're mostly irrelevant to your view count, but if you do use them, place them at the very end of your caption. Next, set your visibility. It defaults to public. Leave it that way if you're posting immediately, or switch to unlisted if you're not ready yet, then flip it to public when it's time.